Welcome to my channel Excel Fundamentals. Today we will see an important function of Excel. That is, shortcuts used within a sheet. I am using the active workbook to explain what are the various changes we can make to a sheet. Currently I am using the welcome page as a starting point. The screen you are seeing shows what are the various actions we can take in a sheet. Right-click on the sheet name to see the functionalities available. 1. Insert. 2. Delete. 3. Rename. 4. Move or copy. 5. View code. 6. Protect sheet. 7. Tab color. 8. Hide. 9. Unhide. 10. Select all sheets. 11. Link to this sheet. Shortcut for each of the above functions is as follows. 1. Press Shift plus F11 to insert a blank sheet. 2. Press Alt plus E plus L to delete the active sheet. 3. Press Alt plus O plus H plus R to rename the active sheet. 4. Press Alt plus E plus M to move or make a copy of the active sheet. 5. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VB code window. 6. Press Alt plus R plus P plus S to open the Protect Sheet window. 7. Press Alt plus O plus H plus T to open the Tab Color Selection window. 8. Press Alt plus O plus H to hide a sheet. 9. Press Alt plus O plus H plus U to unhide a sheet. 10. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Page up down to select sheets towards left or right of the active sheet. The last function is not used much in our daily life. But if you want to use, then you just need to click on that and you can attach the sheet to a mail and send it to someone or save somewhere. Hope this video will save some time for you during your busy working day. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel.